Basil How-Tos presents How to Change a Flat Tire. First, locate your spare tire emergency kit. You can find its whereabouts in your car's manual. Before you raise the car, you must loosen the lug nuts. Use the breaker bar to do so. This makes it easier to remove the wheel once the car is in the air. Next, locate the jack points for your specific car. It is vital to use the provided jack points to lift your car safely. Use the jack and raise the car. Once the wheel is off the ground and you can spin it freely, you can remove the lug nuts. Carefully remove your wheel from the hub and grab your spare. Align your spare with the hub and apply your lug nuts. Use the breaker bar to make sure that they are tight. The wheel will spin, but it will be tightened more once on the ground. Lower the car slowly and then remove the floor jack. Hand tighten your lug nuts so they are firm. Don't apply too much force because you can risk breaking the bolt. Once they are firm, you can put your tools away and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. We hope you continue to have safe travels.